Hello, my name is Susanne from Hopmann Marketing Analytics. Today, I'd like to tell you a little bit more about our Data Viz Check. We've developed the Data Viz Check as a very helpful tool in order to decide which BI and Data Viz solution is the right one for you. Whether it's Omni Analytics, Power BI or Tableau, we've worked with all of them for the past years in countless projects, and we know more or less all about it. So whether you want to start with a Data Viz and BI tool, or whether you're already using one and are thinking about migrating because the current tool doesn't fit your needs anymore, this test is right for you. You just go to our website, go to Start Test, and you find a few questions right away. It's only 8 questions, so it just takes a couple of minutes to fill it all out. And you see your results right away. In this case, you see that Omni is the tool of choice. It ranks with 37%, and you can see some reasoning for that below. You have some explanations why Omni might be the best fit for your organization. However, we also know that making a final decision for the right tool can be a quite challenging task, because there is a lot of different things that need to be considered and a lot of different questions that need to be answered. But we are the experts. We're here to help. If you have any questions and want a special consulting on this topic, just reach out to us. We're here to help. Thank you. Bye-bye.